I'm making chicken wing. I love chicken wings. So what I have on my chicken is Goya all-purpose season, black pepper, and complete season. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what else I use. So this is the black pepper I use. I season. Okay, and then I use the Goya all-purpose season, and then I use the complete seasoning. Okay, and then I put a little bit of sweet and sour sauce on it. Then I put mango sauce in it as well. Okay, and then I use lemon, pepper, and garlic. Okay, so all of this is in my pan, my baking pan right now, and I'm about to put the cover over it, and I will be putting the file paper over it, putting in my the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Okay, so I'm about to wrap it up, and you can see how beautiful it looks with all the sauce in it. So imagine how it's gonna taste. Every chicken wing that I bake is like fall off the bone, so my meat is like falling off the bone. Okay, so I will show you when I'm done with it. And actually I did put a little bit of lime juice in it too, so the lime juice will add a little bit of zest to it, and it does have a different taste. Okay, there you go. That's the finishing chicken wing right here. Okay, so look how close, look at it. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it tastes really good.